take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright, 'cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong, but it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. A little crazy for you. Hey.
My hands are freezing, by the way. Okay, it looks like we found ourselves, so let's click start.
3, 2, 1.
And there we go. There's the droney. There you go, quick shot droney. And of course, once she's done, she'll return back to where she started from. Okay, now I think what we would like to do, we'll click on this again. We're going to try a circle. Okay, so how high are we? We might have to go a little bit higher. The wind is really blowing her around. I might wait a minute, I think. Okay, well, let's see. Okay, we have our box. Okay, let's just go up a little bit higher. Okay, and let's hit start.
2, 1.
Okay. Oh, my hands are freezing. Okay, it looks like we're above these little trees here, and she's maintaining a visual on me. That's kind of perfect. Okay, so let's go up a little bit higher. Okay, let's go back into quick shots. Let's try a helix. So we have a helix. We draw a box. Okay, and
3,
let's click start.
2, 1.
The helix tends to go up a little bit higher. It does like a circle and then goes up a little bit higher. Okay, we have boomerang now. I think what we're going to do is we're going to move over here a little bit for the boomerang. Okay, let's click boomerang. Okay, we're going to go in this direction to the left. Okay, let's draw a box. Okay, and let's click start. Okay, there's the boomerang. Now we're going to go up 35 meters. So let's draw another box. Okay, and let's hit start. And away she goes. Away she goes, straight up. Okay, she's coming back down. Okay, anyways, that's Quickshots. That's the Quickshots. Okay, guys, I want to thank everyone for watching today, watching me freeze outside. So this was actually pretty good today. We were able to bring out the Rode wireless mic and do a little bit of testing with it, and we'll see what the sound is like on that. Hopefully it's good. We also were able to bring out the iPad and hook it up to the controller and do a little bit of flying. We were able to do some quick shots. We were able to do some panel shots, and we were able to freeze to death out here, just so you guys could have something to watch. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you later.